Hey everyone, for today's video I'll be showing you what came in my summer FabFitFun box. So if you want to see what was included inside, then just keep on watching. So if you haven't heard about FabFitFun, what it is a seasonal customizable box, and it includes full-size products. And I always love that there's such a wide range to choose from, and the different categories of products that's included inside of the box is beauty, fashion, fitness, wellness, and home products. So it's great that you get to discover new brands, and overall it's just a really great value. So the first product that I picked out, I was really happy to see this brand in this month's box because I actually got it last season, so I was glad that it was included again. And it's Kate Spade, and it's this pitcher, and it comes with 2 cups, and I thought that the color was nice and it was a cute design, and overall it's just good quality, and it's just going to be great for a hot summer's day. And then the next item that I picked out, I haven't heard about this brand before. It's called Sunday Citizen, and it's a resin bath set, and it includes an 11-ounce refillable soap dispenser and an 11-ounce toothbrush holder. And overall I just thought that the print was very sleek, and I just love anything with gold and a marbly kind of design, so I'm looking forward to putting this in my future place. And then the next item that I picked out that is going to be great for the bathroom as well is from a brand, I believe it's called Mallon Golds, and this is a rum hand and body wash, and it's a nice fresh and a citrusy kind of scent. And the next item is from a brand called Lilly Pulitzer, and I just love their prints. They're very vibrant and girly and just really cute designs. And this is an ID holder coin purse, and it's just a really cute print. And then next is something from 9 West, and this is a hanging organizer, which is going to be great for travel. And it's very spacious, and there's lots of different compartments there, so I'm glad to have this. And then lastly is something from O Studio, and it's a notebook, and it's just a very pretty design. And what's great is that there's different types of pages. So you have your standard line pages, and then there's some dots, which is great for making lists or just budgeting and anything like that. And then there's also 2 pockets there to keep receipts and everything organized back there. And then it also includes some stickers. So yeah, that was everything that was included in the box. So I thought that it was a great selection, and I'm really happy with everything that I got to pick out. I look forward to trying them out, and overall I would definitely recommend checking out FabFitFun. So if you want any more information about it, and if you want 20% off, then you can use my coupon code LoveLoveGlam, and I'll leave that all down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.